Hello and welcome back to my channel. Here we're going to talk about Huawei Mate V. Huawei reportedly filed a trademark application with the European Union Intellectual Property Office on July 3 for the Mate V, which was previously the Mate series, has never had a naming convention before, so the Mate V might just be Huawei's next folding screen product. But the X name is a bit more futuristic and hackneyed, and the V could be just another folding screen product in the line, and according to naming this device, could be similar to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Branching out to create a product line gap with the Mate X, and also to diversify the folding screen phone category even more, so that's why it's entirely possible. Exactly what the Mate V is from Huawei may also have to wait until Huawei's September launch to find out. Huawei is probably changing its outlook on foldable devices. The company launched the Mate X, which folded outwards. But now reports say the brand's upcoming Mate foldable design, which follow a familiar path. It is ditching the unique design model, and like the Samsung Galaxy Fold, the next Mate device will fold on the inside. Rumors say the device will be called Mate V. And images have leaked with the new brand name and the refreshed design. As you can see here, the device carries screen on both the sides. There are hinges right in the middle to make sure the device is durable, especially the screen. The change in design is understandable. Huawei must have seen how Samsung managed to fix the issues with the Galaxy Fold. That's not all, the South Korean giant seems to have sold quite a decent number of the device as well. All this might have encouraged Huawei to ditch its unique design approach and go for the tried and tested. It's likely that Huawei will launch the Mate V device before end of the year. So we'll probably hearing or even seeing more of the device in the build up to that. Only then we'll be able to determine the pricing of the product. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.